Can we prevent Alzheimer's by eating proper food? What recipe cuts the risk of Alzheimer's disease by up to 53%? In this video, we will tell it all. Many studies show that the food we eat affects our thinking and memory as we get older. In the following section, we will take a look into these effects. Diet and dementia risk. Years before the first symptoms of Alzheimer's arise, changes in the brain might already be developing progressively. These early brain changes suggest a window of opportunity for preventing or delaying the onset of dementia symptoms. How could what we eat affect our brains? Consuming a specific diet likely causes changes in our biological systems, such as oxidative stress and inflammation. These damages in our brain can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Also, certain food can cause diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. These are indirect risk factors of Alzheimer's. What are Mediterranean and MIND diets? What impact do they have on Alzheimer's disease? Numerous studies have found that the Mediterranean diet is beneficial to our health. It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, fish, and other seafood. It also includes unsaturated fats such as olive oils, and modest amounts of red meat, eggs, and sweets. MIND is an abbreviation for the Mediterranean-Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay. As the name indicates, it is the combination of the Mediterranean diet and the DASH diet. DASH is an abbreviation of Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. The MIND diet can lower high blood pressure and Alzheimer's disease risk factor. Observational studies of over 900 dementia-free older adults support the benefits of the MIND diet. The Mediterranean diet may benefit the brain by improving cardiovascular health, and in turn, it reduces the risk of dementia. On the other hand, the average Western diet raises the risk of cardiovascular disease, contributing to quicker brain aging. Furthermore, the Mediterranean diet increases nutrients with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities that may protect the brain. It may also suppress beta-amyloid deposits in Alzheimer's patients' brains or boost cellular metabolism in ways that protect them against the illness. Let's take a look at the evidence. Numerous studies of people on the Mediterranean or MIND diet suggest that it might help the brain. Consider the following study results. 1. Those who ate a Mediterranean diet had more prominent cortical brain regions than those who did not, according to one research of 116 cognitively normal people. In contrast, Alzheimer's disease causes these brain areas to shrink. 2. People who followed the Mediterranean diet closely had better glucose metabolism and lower levels of beta-amyloid protein, according to a follow-up observational study. 3. After an average of 4.5 years, people who followed the MIND diet the most rigorously had a 53% lower rate of Alzheimer's disease than those who did not. 4. The MIND diet was linked to a significant slowdown of cognitive decline over an average of approximately 5 years in another trial. 5. The researchers further found that persons who ate a Mediterranean-style diet had a lower risk of developing cognitive issues. They also had a greater degree of mental performance. Now, we have explained what the MIND diet is and how it might help prevent Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. It is time to reveal the ultimate recipe. The MIND diet encourages people to eat foods from 10 different food groups. Leafy green vegetables, at least 6 servings a week. Other vegetables, at least 1 servings a day. Berries, at least 2 servings a week. Whole grains, at least 3 servings a day. Fish, 1 serving a week. Poultry, 2 servings a week. Beans, 3 servings a week. Nuts, 5 servings a week. Wine or other alcohol, 1 glass a day. Mainly olive oil for cooking. The 5 types of foods that you need to avoid or reduce are: butter or margarine, less than 1 tablespoon a day. Cheese, less than 1 serving a week. Pastries or sweets, less than 5 a week. Fried or fast food, less than once a week. Red meat, less than 4 times a week. A quick reminder, this video is for information only. Please seek medical advice from appropriate healthcare professionals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please comment below to share your diets for a healthy brain. If you want more information on topics of older adult health, subscribe to the channel.